Hi guys, today we're gonna modeling these car wheels. I will use this for reference. Let's double click here to open the cylinder option. Set the axis to X, the radius to 5, leave the height value and apply close. Okay, move it on the center of the wheel. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's adjust the position again. Okay, now press C and change the radius about 7.5. Let's adjust it. Okay, change the thickness to about 1.4. Okay, increase the subdivision axis to make wheels smoother and give us a lot of edge to work with. Set about 32. Okay, go in front view and translate the wheel into the right position. Okay, now we need to increase the height. Okay, to fit the reference size. Let's translate it a little bit. Okay, let's increase again the subdivision axis about 48. 48. Okay, great. Okay, now let's insert edge loop about right here. Okay, now in face mode, select this face and control E to extrude. Increase the thickness to about 1.2, 1.3. Okay, look around to see if everything is okay. Next, select those edges and bevel it. Set the fraction to 0.14 just to give some details. Now press Ctrl G or Shift G to duplicate this wheel and create a front wheel car. We need to scale it down. For this, select one top edge, choose similar in the main select menu and continue edge. Scale to fit reference. Now let's create spokes. Create a primitive cube. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Now move vertex or use the scale tool to get the spoke shape. I prefer move vertex. Okay. Sorry. Move vertex. Okay, now try it on the center of the wheel. Select the cube, shift select the wheel and click on match translation button. Okay. Now the cube is at the center of the wheel. Move it up a little bit. Okay, switch to edge and select all the edge. Bevel the edge, reduce the fraction to about 0.17. Okay, let's see what you get. Okay, not bad. Now select the cube and press Shift G to duplicate. Rotate it about 45 degrees. Without deselect the cube, press Shift G twice to complete spokes. Okay, great. Let's move on. Now double click on the icon cylinder to open option. I'm going to leave the last settings. Now with the cylinder select, shift select the wheel and match transformation like before. Let's change the subdivision axis to about 32. Okay, 32 is good. Okay, scale it a little bit. Okay, I'm looking a good reference for this piece. Okay, here we can see the reference. Let's translate to the next wheel reference to get the right size. Okay, freeze the transformation before. Okay, now let's scale it up. Okay, great. Let's zero the value. Great. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, now select our object and delay is free. Freeze transformation V1. Okay, now select those objects and combine. Delete X3. Great. Okay, let's rename the objects. Wheel underscore car front right rail. Okay, rename this wheel car front right. Okay, let's use capital letter also here. Okay. Maybe it's better to combine the two objects. Okay, select the two objects and combine. Let's rename the result. Okay. Okay, duplicate it to create rear wheel. Rename it wheel car rear right. Okay. Control J to group the two right side wheels. Control J to duplicate it and set the scale X to -1. Okay. Now we need to ungroup. No, ungroup. Okay. Next, we can rename different widths. Let's rename. Just change the R by the L. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, now let's modeling the axe. Okay, create a cylinder. Now let's translate it and rotate properly. Increase the head, the subdivision axis, and the radius. Move it down a little bit. Okay, increase the head. We need to translate in the right place. Okay. Okay, let's adjust the head again. Okay. Instead adjust the head, you can scale it in the right axis. Okay. Okay, make sure that the axis is centered with the wheel. You can move it and point snap at the center by use the V key. Okay, great. Okay, in edge mode, select all the edge and use the connect tool to insert the edge loop. The connect tools, increase the value of pinch. Okay, now we can activate the symmetry, and in the face mode, select this face and shrink them down. Okay, just change the value of the let's change the value of thickness and bring it down. Okay, okay, what's going on? Something is wrong. Maybe it's the wrong axis. It's the wrong axis. Okay, let's change to object Y and try again. Okay, great. Okay, I think it's good. Delete these three and deactivate the symmetry. Now rename this wheel. Wheel underscore car rail underscore X. Okay. Now duplicate it for the front. And rename it properly. Thank you for watching. See us in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.